I am Adrija. Welcome to my study room. In the previous video, we have already completed exercise 8.2 question number 1. In this video, we are going to start with exercise 8.2 question number 2. Okay, so let's get started. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. The question is given, we have to choose the correct option. Okay, 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree is what? So let's solve this one. 2 into, now what is tan 30 degree? We have already learned earlier that the value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Okay, then 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Now it will be 1 by root 3 whole square because it is tan square 30 degree, right? Now what is it? It will be 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3 because 1 square is 1 and root 3 square is 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now 2 by root 3 by, now let's do this one, 3 plus 1, 2 by root 3 by 4 by 3, right, equal to 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. Now 2 2s are 4, right? So now 3 by 2 root 3. Now we are going to multiply this whole fraction with root 3. Means 3 into root 3 by 2 root 3 into root 3. It will be 3 root 3. And here will be root 3 into root 3 is what? 3. 3 2s are 6. Over here also 3 2s are 6. So what is there? It is root 3 by 2. So this is the answer, root 3 by 2. Now which value over here is root 3 by 2? So sin 60, yes, sin 60's value is root 3 by 2, right? We have already learnt earlier, sin 60's value is root 3 by 2. So the answer is A, sin 60. Now let's move to the next one. Now let's move to the second number. 1 minus tan square 45 degree by 1 plus tan square 45 degree is what? Okay, so let's solve this. 1 minus, now what is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. We have already learnt earlier. Tan 45 is 1. So tan square 45 will be 1 square by 1 plus, again tan square 45, it will be 1 square. 1 minus, what is 1 square? 1 square is 1 by 1 plus, again what is 1 square? It is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 0 by 2 is 0. Okay, so 0 is the answer of question number 2. Now let's move to the next one. Now let's move to this question. Question number 3. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a is equal to what? A is equal to 0 degree, a is equal to 30 degree, a is equal to 45 degree or 60 degree. So what is true? Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. So let's solve this one by one. First is what? 0 degree. When a is equal to 0 degree, then sin 2 into 0 degree equal to 2 sin 0 degree. Okay, or sin will be 0 degree, 2 sin 0 degree. Now what is sin 0 degree? Sin 0 degree is 0. So 2 into 0. Or over here also sine 0 degree, so sine 0 degree is 0. And 2 multiplied by 0 is what? 0. So what? When angle A is equal to 0 degree, then sine 2A equal to 2 sine A. It is true, right? When angle A is equal to 0 degree. So option number A is correct, because we have found out that sine 2A is equal to 2 sine A when angle A is 0. We don't have to find the other ones because we already know which one is the correct option. So the correct option is A. Now let's move to question number 4. Now let's move to the question number 4. 2 tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree is what? So let's solve this one. 2 into tan 30 degree. What is tan 30 degree? Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 by 1 minus. Now what is tan square 30 degree? Tan square 30 degree is 1 by root 3 whole square, because here square is the tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 and tan square 30 degree is 1 by root 3 whole square. So 2 by root 3 by 1 minus, what is 1 square? It is 1, and what is root 3 square is 3. So 2 by root 3 by 3, 3 minus 1, okay, equal to 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 by 3, 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2, 2 will be cut, 3 by root 3. Now we are going to multiply this 3 by root 3 whole with root 3, okay. So 3 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3, okay. So it will be 3 root 3, and here root 3 into root 3 is what? It is 3. Root 3 whole square, right? 3. 3 will be cut. What is the answer? It is root 3. Now root 3 is the value of what? Cos 60, sin 60, tan 60 or sin 30. Root 3 is the value of tan 60, right? Tan 60 is what? Root 3. So this will be tan 60. The answer is. With this we have completed question number 2. In the next video we are going to be back with question number 3. So if you like this video, click on like button, and to stay with me please click on subscribe button. Thank you.